how to edit the Facebook ad account spending limit. So if you want to edit the Facebook ad account spending limit, then first you need to open up your Facebook application, or you just need to open up your browser at first. So I'll be choosing a Chrome browser. Once you open your browser, you need to go for the search and you need to search for business.facebook.com/settings. So here, if you have not logged into your account, you need to log into your Meta Business Suite. So once you're here under the business.facebook.com settings, you need to simply go for the left, and under your left, you may have an option of billing and payments. So here you will have all tools option. You need to go for the all tools and then you need to search for billing and payments option. So click on billing then payments. You just need to go for payment settings or payment activity, and you need to go for add payment method. Click on add payment method if you haven't added one already. So you need to add, click on next, and here you need to add a payment method. So once you added your payment method, you need to click on next, and here you need to enter your card details. So add your debit or your credit card, and once you've added, you need to click on save and you need to add a payment method. And once you've added your payment method, you can simply go for the right and then you need to click on the three dots under your payment method or under your account. And once you're there, you need to again scroll down and go for the account spending limit. You may have the account spending limit. You need to click on the account spending limit and you need to click on set limit. Once you click on set limit, every ad in the account will pause once you hit the limit. So you need to enter the limit and that's it. That's how you can edit the Facebook ad account spending limit. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.